Hi guys, so I have finally taken down my 10 weeks old protective hairstyle. If you're watching this, it means I've already posted a video where I showed you guys my takedown, and it's been 10 weeks, 10 amazing weeks, which I really enjoyed. And now it's time for me to detangle my hair. I am going to be using my flaxseed and aloe vera butter that I made. This is the consistency of the butter. This butter has a lot of hydration. I didn't use water at all. I only used my flaxseed gel and my aloe vera gel to make this butter. If you want the recipe, let me know in the comment section so I can post the video for you guys. So now it's time for me to properly detangle my hair. Like I said, I left my hair in a protective hairstyle for 10 weeks, where I've been using a lot of Ayurveda to treat my hair to see how much growth I'll be able to get, which I got a lot of growth. So now I am detangling my hair. Like I said, this is my flaxseed and aloe vera butter. I'm going to be applying generous amount to this, allow you to soak in on the moisture before I come back to properly detangle my hair, if that makes sense. Next one and do the same. And I am done detangling my hair. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. So this is what came out during this detangling process. This is what came out, and this was what came out during the takedown. Let me know in the comment section if you think this is too much. This is too much hair loss for 10 weeks old takedown. 10 weeks old protective hairstyle. Let me know in the comment section if you think this is too much. So like I said, this was during the takedown and this is during the detangling process. And now it's time to go wash this girl and pamper her and do all I need to do. So I will see you after I am done, or in the next video. I'm not sure, or I will see you soon.